that. And please like and subscribe to become a unicorn in the unicorn family. And yeah, so today I'm going to be showing you all of my squishies. So that stands for my squishy collection. So let's get started. First, I have this squishy. It's super hard. Sorry, my brother's just watching a video that I made because I just posted a YouTube video and he's watching it. I have no idea why he's watching it, but yeah. So this is my first squishy, and sorry for the background noises. Then I got this pie with the whipped cream thing on it. It's super cute, and I love this squishy. Then I have this squishy that is super slow rising. Then I have this chihuahua. Then I have this pizza. Then I have this cat. Then I have this cotton candy. Then I have this bear. Then I have this thing.
I already watched your video.
I know. What is that? Sorry, guys. Then I have this bunny. Then I have this llama. Then I have this bunny. Then I have these French fries. Then I have this, I have no idea, mango, macaron, and then a donut. Then a milk carton. Well, that is all of my squishies. So hopefully you guys like my video and subscribe to become a unicorn in our unicorn family. And bye, guys.